Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and how to install officejet Pro 9515E driver. So search on Google's and right click to first step. This website is support.hp.com and right click to new tab. Guys, your operating system is automatically detect if you're wrong, because my operating system Windows 11 but is detecting operating system is Windows 10, so I have to different. So operating system Windows version 11, okay, and then click to change. Slow down. This is full easy but required to internet. If you don't have internet, so do not install HP Smart, okay. Extend to driver universal, and this will installation software and full version 2 drivers, okay. This is 310 MB and click to download. Now this is install. Please wait few minutes to this is installing, and you already install and facing any issues, some error code. So guys, go to control panel and uninstall uh, your old driver and then restart and then install again new drive with new drivers. So guys, this is install and single click to launch, then click to run. This installations all data your setup file is extracting your systems. Then guys, click to yes. So please wait, this is load the printer setup in your systems. Then guys, click to continue. So guys, I don't need to help, so click new. So guys, this is printer is not found facing this issue, so you have already printer to connect to wireless by USB. This is also USB and ether cable, wireless USB ether cable. So connect and then guys, click to continue. Very simple step. Next to install, and then guys, restart your system.